Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore an important feature on Viber How to see all the devices connected to your Viber account. If you're concerned about security or just curious to know which devices have access to your account, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. Grab your smartphone and launch the Viber app. Whether you're on an iPhone or Android, the steps are similar. Once you're in the app, tap on the three lines, menu icon, in the bottom right corner of your screen to access the settings. This will bring up a list of options for managing your Viber experience. Scroll down the settings menu until you see the account option. Tap on it to enter the account settings. In the account settings, look for desktop and tablets. Tap on it, and you'll see a full list of all devices currently connected to your Viber account. This includes any computers, tablets, or other phones you've logged in on. From this list, you can see all connected devices. If you notice a device you don't recognize or no longer use, simply tap on the Deactivate button next to it. This will remove the device's access to your Viber account. And that's it! You now know how to find every device connected to your Viber account and manage them effectively. Keeping track of connected devices is a great way to enhance your account security. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.